I am Lakeisha. I am a mother. I'm a wife. I am a chef, caterer. I am a heart failure survivor and patient and the recipient of the HeartMate. I have corn, I have okra, eggplant, rosemary, green peas, and I think zucchini. Anything that I plant, if you don't like it or don't eat it, don't plant it. Food is synonymous with love. One of the ways that I show love, that I show appreciation definitely, is through my cooking and people being happy. I am a real life Iron Man. I'm a superhero.